Hi students, welcome back to Evershine Coaching Center. Myself Shah Sir here. Dear students, today we are going to continue the chapter of class 10th Mathematics Coordinate Geometry. Students, already we have covered two sessions related to this chapter, Coordinate Geometry, and also any students who have this chapter of coordinate geometry, you can just open up the syllabus, okay, let it be class 9th or class 8th or class 11th, even this chapter will be very much helpful for you for your current syllabus, okay. So please do not miss any of our sessions, and in the below given comment box you can comment it, what is the need, what you people want, okay, and also how was this session. You can comment it in the last after watching the complete video. Dear students, I hope you all are doing well, right? Good. Now we are going to start up this chapter. Before we could start this, I just want to tell you one thing, as like you can subscribe our YouTube channel Evershine Coaching Groups, so and also click the bell icon so that you will be getting the instant notifications and the updates about our classes. Now we are going to continue the chapter of coordinate geometry. I just repeat once again, we have already covered the basics related to this chapter in our first video. Then we have covered the example problems related to this chapter. Class 10th NCERT, that is CBSE or ICSE or Karnataka State Board syllabus. Today we are going to continue the chapter from exercise 7.1. Let's begin. Yes, observe your student. The first problem of exercise 7.1. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. They have given two pairs of points, that is 2, 3 and 4, 1. So here what we are going to do, very simple, that is solution. You can see here, first what are the coordinates they have given? 2, 3. So this is our first coordinates. Let me assume the first coordinate as A and second coordinate as B. Always you have to assign the capital letters for this. Is this clear? Capital letters A, B, P, Q, X, Y, as you wish, no problem. So here we are going to assume that as A. So let A be the points, that is 2, 3. And next B be the point, that is 4, 1. Always do remember, the first coordinate will be always x1 y1. जो भी पहले दिया जाएगा उसको हम x1 y1 लिखेंगे, जो सेकेंड दिया जाएगा उसको हम x2 y2 लिखेंगे. Got it? Whatever the coordinates they have given first, we assume that as x1 y1. x1 value is +2, y1 value is +3. Remember this. And similarly x2 y2. The value of x2 is +4 and the value of y2 is +1. Now one time we write the formula, that is distance formula, because here he is asking, in the given problem you can see, here he is asking us to find the distance between the points. He is asking us to find the distance. It means we have to find the distance formula, that is d is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Please make sure that this should come under square root. So this is our distance formula. Got it? So what is the distance formula we have got? D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Just we have to substitute the values, that's all, nothing else. Very simple and very easy problem, children. Seriously, believe me. So between which points we are finding the distance? That is A and B, right? So we write that as AB is equals to root of x2. What is the value of x2? That is +4 minus x1 value is +2 whole square plus y2 is +1 minus y1 is +3 whole square. That is equals to root of 4 minus 2, that is 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3. In 1 can you subtract 3? No. No means we have to put minus. Then do opposite calculation, that is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2 whole square. That is equals to root of 2 square is 4 plus minus 2 whole square. What is minus 2 whole square? that is minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4, that is plus 4. Root of 4 plus 4, we are adding both the values, not multiplying, be careful. That is 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, root 8. Now root of 8 is even number or odd number? It is even number. So which is the least even perfect square? That is 4. Why? Because 2 into 2, if you multiply 2 times, we get 4. This is called as perfect square. So 4 is even perfect square. If you want odd, then multiply 3 into 3. That is 9. So 9 is odd perfect square. So here 8 is the even number. So we are taking even perfect square. That is 4. 4 into what is 8? That is 4 2s are 8. Got it? 4 2s are 8. Then what we can do? What is square root of 4? If 4 comes out from the root, it becomes 2. So root 4 is 2. Then root, what is left out? 2. 4 comes out, it becomes 2. Now 2 is left out. So 2 is even or odd? Even. So which is the least even perfect square? 4. In 4 tables, we get 2 is the answer? No, because 4 ones are itself is 4. So 2 we don't get in 4 tables. Try with 9 if not. In 9 tables, will you get 4? Will you get 2? No. So we cannot reduce it. So we can write finally, therefore AB is equals to 2 root 2 units. 2 root 2 units. So this is the final answer. So what is the distance between the 2 points? That is 2 root 2 units. Got it? Very good. Similarly, in the same problem, he has given option 2. I hope you have understood this problem. Correct? Yes. Now we are going to solve one more problem, that is option 2. So here what is option 2 he has given? Minus 5 comma 7, minus 5 comma 7 and minus 1 comma 3. And similarly he has given minus 1 comma 3. So these are the two coordinates is given. So which are the two coordinates he has given, children? That is minus 5 comma 7 plus 7 and minus 1 comma plus 3. So these are the two coordinate, these are the 2 points he has given. So similarly we are going to find the distance only. So we are finding the distance formula because in the same problem this is the sub question 2. So first let we assume this point as A. So let A be the point, that is minus 5 comma 7 and B be the point, that is minus 1 comma 3. Let we say this is x1 and this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Remember, the value of x1 is minus 5 and the value of y1 is plus 7. Value of x2 is minus 1, value of y2 is plus 3. Done? So one time you can write the formula. So what is the distance formula we have? D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Remember, always try to highlight the main formula. Got it? Now, between which points we are finding the distance? That is AB. So, AB is equals to root of, what is x2? Minus 1, formula minus. What is x1 value? Minus 5. One more minus we are getting. So, we are going to write this in bracket, minus 5 whole square. Got it? Plus y2, that is plus 3, minus y1, that is plus 7 whole square, that is equals to root of minus 1 minus into minus plus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7. In 3 can you subtract 7? No. No means minus. 7 minus 3, that is 4 whole square. I am going to continue the problem here. That is equals to root of minus 5 plus 1 means plus is 5. So 5 minus 1, that means 5 minus 1. In 5 minus 1 is how much? 4 whole square plus minus 4 whole square means minus 4 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16. That is equals to root of 4 square is 16 plus 16. 16 plus 16, that is 32. That is 32. So root of 32. In which tables it goes? 32 is even number. So which is the least even perfect square? That is 4. In 4 tables we get 13. You can check. What you can check? Just you divide this 32 by 4. In 4 tables it goes or not. 32 will goes with 4 tables or not means you divide by 4. बस उसको 32 को 4 से divide कीजिए. अगर सिर्फ डिवाइड हो रहा है तो 4 के टेबल्स में जाएगा, इफ नॉट इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू go with the table. 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32. It's going. Yes, of course it's going. One more. See, 8 we are getting. Again 8 we have to reduce. So can we try another even perfect square? Little bit bigger number. Instead of 2 2s are 4, 3 is odd number. Try with 4. Again 4 4s are 16. Divide 32 by 16. It goes 16 ones are 16 twos. It's going directly. If you want, you can try 8 also. Again one more step will come. Again you have to reduce 8. If not, directly you can go in these tables also. जब हम 32 को 4 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो हमारे को 8 से जा रहा है, right? This number is going with 8. But again we have to reduce 8, no? So that's the reason what I did. I'm taking 16. I'm taking 16. That is 4 4s are 16. So 16 2s are 32, right? So directly I will go with 16 into 2. If you are taken this value, what happens? I'll show you. So root of 4 into 8 is 32. 4 comes out, it becomes 2. Again root 8, again 2, again 4 into 2, that is 2 into, again root 4 comes out 2, that is root 2. See, the number of steps will increase, that is 2 2s are 4, root 2. So here directly root 16 is 4, root 2 as it is. See here how many number of steps, here how many number of steps. That's the reason. If it is going means you can take, but still you can take one more higher number and you can do, so that the number of steps will decrease. See here also 4 root 2, here also we have got 4 root 2. That's the reason. Understood? Understood children? Good. So now what we can do here, very simple, that is 4 root 2. Again root 2 we cannot reduce as we have seen in the before case. So AB is equals to 4 root 2 units. Any doubts? Is this clear? Very good. Now we are going to solve option 3. Now we are going to solve option 3 in the same problem number 1. So what is option 3 here? A comma B and minus A comma minus B. Minus A comma minus B. Let me solve this problem, children. Solution, we are finding the distance, right? So let we assume this point as let. See, A means you may get confused, so I will take this as P. Let P of A comma B and Q of minus A comma minus B be the points. So I am going to take this as x1 and this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. The value of x1 is plus A, y1 is plus B, x2 is minus A, y2 is minus B. Now what we are solving here, children? Actually we are going to solve the distance between P and Q, right? So D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula. We are finding the distance between P and Q, that is PQ. That is equals to root of x2. What is x2? Minus A minus formula minus x1 is plus A whole square plus y2 is minus B formula minus y1 is plus B whole square. See children, minus A means minus 1A. You should remember there is 1. Again minus A means again minus 1A. Minus 1A minus 1A. If both are minus, we should add. But we should write minus sign as it is. That is minus 2A. So minus 1A, that is nothing but minus 2A whole square plus minus 1B, that is minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2B whole square. So root of, remember children, one more step you need to remember here, that is minus 2A whole square we have, right? That is minus 2A into minus 2A. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4, A into A square. Remember. So what is minus 2A whole square? That is 4A square plus similarly minus 2B whole square is minus 2B into minus 2B. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4, B into B square. That is 4B square. Got it? So you can do in working column this if you want. So now that is equals to root of, see children, 4A square plus 4B square. Both the sides we have 4 and 4. Yes, so we can take 4 common. If we take 4 common, what is left out? A square plus B square is left out. See here, multiply 4 into A square, 4A square, plus into plus plus, 4 into B square, 4B square. So we have taken 4 common. Now this is 4 into A square plus B square. If so, root is there for 4 as well as root is there for A square plus B square. For both the sides we have root. If you want, you can split this like this. If not directly also you can do it. So root is there for 4 as well as root is there for A square plus B square. So A square plus B square, this complete is one term. 4 is another term. So what is root 4? That is 2. So 2 root of A square plus B square. See children, as I said you that root A square plus B square means you cannot cancel this square and square root here. Why? Because there is a plus in between. If it is plus, we cannot cancel this. If it was root A square into root B square into, if it was multiplication, then square root will get cancelled, then it becomes AB. If it is multiply, then you can cancel individually. If it is addition or subtraction, you cannot cancel that. Is this clear? Is this clear children? Root 4 is 2 root of A square plus B square. So therefore PQ is equals to 2 root of A square plus B square units. So this is the value of PQ. Any doubts? Is this clear? Very good. I hope you have understood question number 1 of exercise 7.1. Now we are going to solve question number 2. See children, here we are going to solve question number 2. What is question number 2 here? You can see here. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B as discussed in section 7.2. See children, so here first here two questions has been given. First is we need to find the distance between the points. We need to find the distance between the points, that is 0, 0 and 36, 15. So we need to find the distance between these 2 points. You can see the first coordinate is 0, 0. What do you mean by 0, 0? It is at origin. It is at origin. And 36, 15, that is another point. It means we are finding the distance from the origin to the another point, that is 36, 15. So what is the formula we have to find the distance between the origin and any point? That is d is equals to root of x square plus y square. Because any x1, y1 or x2, y2, any value, if it is 0, 0, then you can directly write the formula, that is d is equals to root of x square plus y square. So let me find the distance. Let me take the values as like this. Let a, that is 0, 0 and b be the point, that is 36, 15. Right? Because here x1, y1 is 0, 0. So x2, y2 only we have. So I am writing x square plus y square. That is root of, this is x and this is y. We are taking this as value as x and this value as y. So what is the value of x? That is 36. So 36 whole square plus what is y? That is 15. That is 15 whole square. It's nothing but 15 whole square. Now root of, what is 36 whole square? Can you tell me children, what is 36 whole square? That is 1296. 36 into 36, that is 1296 plus 15 into 15, that's nothing but 225. 225. So 1296 plus 225, if you are going to add, what will be the value we are going to get children? That is 1521. 1521. So we know that 1521, remember. So what is square root of 1521? Can you reduce it? Yes. 39 into 39 is 1529. 39 into 39, that is 129. So we are finding the distance between AB. That is AB is equals to 39 units. AB is equals to 39 units. Any doubts? Now, sir, it's quite difficult or confusion. Then what you can do? You can solve by our previous method. That is, let me say this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. If you want, you can do in this method also. That is d is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Got it? I am showing, or this is another way to solve the same problem. So that is AB is equals to root of, what is x2? That is 36 minus x1 is 0 whole square plus y2 is 15 minus y1 is 0 whole square. That is nothing but root of 36 minus 0 is 36 whole square, 15 minus 0 is 15 whole square. So what is 36 whole square? 1296 plus 15 square, that is 225. So root of 1521, that's nothing but AB is equals to 39 units. You can see, children, you solve in any of the method, you are getting the same answer. Understood? Very good. Now you can try with any of the method, but make sure that this method is very important. So this method is very important. Whenever they give origin and any point, you can directly use this formula and you can solve the problem. Here, what is the next problem is been asked here? Can you see, children? He is asking here, can you now find the distance between the 2 points A and B as discussed in section 7.2. So what exactly is the section 7.2? You can see, to illustrate this problem or to make you people to understand the distance formula, they have given in section 7.2. So we are taking these 2 points A and B. We have two towns, that is A and B. Town A is 0, 0 and town B is 36, 15. I'll show you how to solve this. It's very easy. Don't worry. So as section 2.2, or we can say like directly according to section 7.2. According to section 7.2, let me draw a graph of x-axis and y-axis. Let me draw a graph of x and y-axis. Okay, this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. So what is coordinate A we have? Let me say this is the origin, that is O, and here, okay, this is origin, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now we have 2 points A and B. What is point A? That is 0, 0. It means it comes here itself, that is 0, 0. Point A is 0, 0. AB origin के पास ही है. So point A will come here. Point B is what? What is point A? 0, 0. What is point B? 36, 15. What is 36? X-axis. So let me say this is 36. Let me say this is the point B. From here to here, what is the distance? Let me say that is 36. And 15 is y-axis. Let me say this point is 15. Let me say this point is 15. It means from here to here, the value is 15. This is 15. It means we are finding the distance. We are going to find the distance. That is, we have to find between A and B what is the distance. Remember, children, the angle between the x value and y value, that is x and y, will be 90 degree. Correct? Let me say this point as C. Let me say this point as, not this point is B. This is the point B. We are finding this distance AB. So what is point B? So this point is 36, 15. This point B is 36, 15. Understood? Now we are finding the distance between A and B. So here we can see that in triangle, let me say this point as C. In triangle ACB, we know that angle C is equals to 90 degree. In triangle ACB, angle C is equals to 90 degree. So 90 degree means we can apply Pythagoras. What is Pythagoras? Says AB is hypotenuse, that is AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. Right? So now what is AB? We want AB, right? So AB is equals to root of AC square plus BC square. Whole square comes this side, it becomes square root. So root of, what is AC from A to C? Can you tell me? AC is 36 units, that is 36 whole square, plus BC is 15, that is 15 whole square. What is 36 whole square? Just now we have done. That is 1296. 15 square, that is 225. That's nothing but root of 1521. That's nothing but, therefore AB is equals to 39 distance, right? We are going to denote by distance. SI unit is kilometer. So what is the distance between A and B? That is AB is equals to 39 kilometer. Hence the required distance between the two towns is 39 kilometers. So this is what the procedure we have to solve the problem. So at O is the origin, but unfortunately point A is also in the same position A, and position B is 36, 15. Now we are finding the distance between A and B. So this is the way we are finding the distance. I hope you have understood this problem. Now we are going to solve question number 3. Yes, observe here children. Next problem number 3. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. Children, make sure that here he is saying that, the problem is asking here, this given 3 points are collinear. What do you mean by collinear? Whether they are lying in the same straight line, whether all the 3 points are lying in the same line or not. If they are lying on the same line, then we say it is collinear. If they are not lying on the same line, then it is not collinear. Got it? To check this, what to solve and on what condition we can say they are collinear or not. That is what we need to check here. So first let me take these points as ABC. So let point A be 1, 5 and B be 2, 3 and then C be -2, -11. Okay. Now first let me find the distance between AB, then BC, then CA. But one important note. What is that important note? If you want to say the given points are collinear or not, how to check whether these given 3 points are collinear or not? That is, sum of two sides, that is AB plus BC, should be equal to CA or AC. Sum of two sides should be equal to the third side. When you add the first two sides, that answer should be equal to the third side answer. If this condition satisfies, then they are collinear. If this condition doesn't satisfy, then they are not collinear. Remember this. Okay. That's what we are finding the distance between AB first. So AB. So what is the coordinate of A? That is 1, 5. What is the coordinate of B? That is 2, 3. So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Now we are finding the distance between 1, 5, 2, 3. x1 is 1, y1 is +5, x2 is +2, y2 is +3. One time we write the formula. So what is the formula distance? D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is our distance formula. Done. Now we are finding the distance between AB, that is AB is equals to root of, what is the value of x2? That is +2 minus x1 is +1 whole square plus y2, that is +3 minus y1 is +5 whole square. So that is equals to root of 2 minus 1, that is 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5. In 3 can we subtract 5? No. No means minus 5 minus 3, that is 2 whole square. So that is equals to root of, what is 1 square? That is 1 plus minus 2 whole square, that is minus 2 into minus 2, minus into minus, plus 2 2s are 4. That is equals to root of 1 plus 4, that is 5. 5 is odd number or even number? Odd number. So which is the least odd perfect square? That is 9. 3 3s are 9. In 9 tables will you get 5? No, we don't get 5. So keep it as it is. So AB is equals to root 5 units. Root 5 units. So we have done AB. Now we find BC. So what is the coordinates of B? That is 2, 3. What is the coordinates of C? minus 2 comma minus 11. So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. You can solve this step below AB, but here only I am solving, don't worry. Anyways, now we are finding the distance between BC, that's BC is equals to root of, what is x2? That is minus 2 minus x1, it is 2 whole square, plus y2 minus 11 minus y1, that is 3 whole square. Then is equals to root of minus 2 minus 2. If both are minus, we should add 2 plus 2 4, but minus remains same. So minus 2 minus 2, that is minus 4 whole square, plus minus 11 minus 3 minus 14 whole square. So root of minus 4 whole square, that is 16 plus minus 14 whole square, minus into minus plus 14 14s are 196. So root of 16 plus 196. How much, children? 16 plus 196, that is 212. So BC is equals to 212 units. So BC we are getting 212. Can you reduce 212? Can you check? Yes, let me check, children. 212. 212 is even number? Yes. So 4 4s are 16. Can you try some bigger number? Can you check? 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10, sorry, 2 10s are 20, 2 10s are 20, then remainder 1, 2 6s are 12, next 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 4 and 53 is cancelable? No, 4 in 4 tables 53 doesn't goes. It means 212 we cannot reduce to its simplest form because it is not getting cancelled by the same even perfect square number. That's the reason we cannot reduce it. If you want, you can check with next even perfect square instead of 4 4, next 6 6, that is 36. You can check 212 by 36, it goes or not. If not, you can check with any perfect square. Okay, but anyhow it doesn't goes. So AB and BC we have got. Next what we need to find? CA. What is CA? What is C coordinates? Minus 2 minus 11. 1 5, minus 2 minus 11, 1 5, minus 2 minus 11 and next coordinate is 1 comma 5. So this is C and this is A, we are finding CA. So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. So we are finding the distance between C and A, that is CA is equals to root of x2 minus x1, x1 value is minus 2 whole square, plus y2 that is plus 5 minus y1 is minus 11, so right in bracket whole square. This should come till the entire square root, be careful. So root of 1 minus into minus plus 2 whole square plus 5 minus into minus plus 11 whole square, that is equals to root of 1 plus 2 that is 3 whole square, 5 plus 11 that is 16 whole square, that is equals to root of 3 square is 9, 16 square, 16 into 16, 256. So root of 9 plus 256, that is nothing but 265. 265, right? It comes 5, right? You can take 25 tables. In 25 265 goes? No. So CA is equals to root 265 units. 265 units. Now directly we can conclude that AB plus BC should be equal to CA, right? But here what is AB? Therefore what is AB answer we got? Distance between A and B, that is root 5. What is BC? We got root 212. And what is CA? We got root 265. You can see all these are unlike surds. All these are unlike surds, means we cannot add AB and BC. We cannot add AB and BC because they are not like surds. Since they are not like surds, we cannot add them. So directly we can come to the conclusion that therefore the sum of two sides are not equal to the third side. The sum of two sides, that is AB plus BC, is not equal to CA. AB plus BC value, they are not equal to CA. The given, hence last line, hence the given points are not collinear. They are not going to form a collinear, means they are not going to lie in the same line. They are forming different lines. Is this clear? They are not collinear. Any doubts? Good. Now let me solve one more problem. Next. Yes, observe your children. Here what is the given problem? Question number 4. Check whether 5, -2, 6, 4 and 7, -2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Whether the given 3 points form an isosceles triangle or not, we need to check. So let we take these 3 points as, let A be the point that is 5, -2, B be the point that is 6, 4 and C be the point that is 7, -2. One important note. Here what is the question? Whether they form an isosceles triangle or not. So what do you mean by isosceles triangle? If you have to prove if it is an isosceles triangle, make sure that any two sides should be equal. Maybe AB is equals to BC, or BC is equals to CA, or CA is equals to AB. Any given two sides, ABBC or BCCA or CAAB, any two sides should be equal. Then we can say, then it is said to be isosceles triangle. Children, note means you no need to write an exam note like this. Just it's a clue for you. Okay. Then we can say that it is an isosceles triangle. Now we are finding, let us check whether any two sides are equal or not. So first let me find the distance between AB, that is A and B. So what is the coordinates of A? That is 5, -2. And what is the coordinates of B? That is 6, 4. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. The value of x1 is +5, y1 is -2, x2 is +6, y2 is +4. So what is the distance formula we have? So D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula. So we are finding the distance between AB, that is AB is equals to root of x2 is +6 minus x1, that is +5 whole square, plus y2, that is +4 minus y1 is -2. One more minus we are getting, so write in bracket -2 whole square, that is equals to root of 6 minus 5, that is 1 whole square, plus 4 minus into minus plus 2 whole square, plus 2 whole square. Any doubts? Now is equals to root of 1 square is 1 plus 4 plus 2, that is 6 whole square. So root of 1 plus 6 square is 36, that is root 37 units. So AB is equals to root 37 units. Okay. AB is equals to root 37 units. Now let me find BC. So what is the coordinate of B? That is 6, 4. What is coordinate of C? That is 7, -2. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Now we can write here BC is equals to root of x2 means 7 minus x1 is +6 whole square, plus y2 that is -2 minus y1 that is +4 whole square, that is equals to root of 7 minus 6, that is 1 whole square, plus -2 minus 4. If both are minus we should add, but minus sign remains same, that is minus, that is 6 whole square. So root of 1 square is 1 plus -6 whole square, minus into minus plus 6 6 are 36. So root 37 units. So BC is equals to root 37 units. Children, kindly don't stop the problem here itself. Sir, AB and BC both are 37 37. As you said, any two sets are equal means isosceles, right? जैसा आपको दो सेट्स इक्वल मिल गए तो स्टॉप नहीं करना, आपको CA भी ढूंढना है. Sometimes CA also may be 37, root 37. If all the three sides are equal, then we can say it is equilateral triangle. That's the reason you should be very much careful You have to solve the complete problem, then you have to decide the given triangle is which triangle. Got it? Maybe here two are equal. Let me check third side. If that third side should not be equal to root 37, it should be some other value. Then only we can say this is isosceles triangle. Sometimes maybe that value also comes root 37. Then we cannot say it is isosceles triangle. Be careful. So we got AB and we got BC. Now we have to find CA. What is C coordinate? 7 minus 2, 5 minus 2. Correct? 7 minus 2, 5 minus 2. 7 minus 2, 5 minus 2. C and this is A. We are finding the distance, that is CA. So let me say this is x1, y1, this is x2 and this is y2. So CA is equals to root of x2 means 5 minus x1 is 7 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 that is minus 2 minus y1 is minus 2, we write in bracket whole square. Is it correct? No, it is wrong. Why? Because this complete square root should come till here. So that is equals to root of 5 minus 7. In 5 can you subtract 7? No. No means minus 7 minus 5, that is 2 whole square plus minus 2, minus into minus, plus 2 whole square. So root of minus 2 whole square, it is 4 plus 2 minus 2, that is 0 whole square. That's nothing but root 4. What is root 4? 2. So CA is equals to 2 units. Now we can come to the conclusion that therefore AB is equals to BC is equals to root 37 units, right? The third side is 2 units. The third side value is 2 units. So therefore the given two sides are equal, hence it is isosceles triangle. Hence it is isosceles triangle. I hope you have understood this problem. I am right? Very good. In our next session we are going to continue these problems. Okay, till that time you can just copy down these problems, practice well. Okay, don't forget to copy down the complete notes and practice.